welcome to Housewife. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My channel is mainly around cooking, crafting and some cleaning. I'm super excited for 3 reasons. So it's my first collaboration video, reason number 1, really exciting. So I am collaborating with my life as Ashley. So Ashley is helping me out today. We are going to clean my oven. She has a cleaning channel. She has lots of tips, lots of cleaning hacks, lots of cleaning motivation. Tons of videos. Go over and check her channel. She's doing a special one today for you, so please head over. I've got a link in the description after you see this and go check out what she's doing for you. If anyone is here from Ashley's channel, welcome, and I hope you enjoy my video today. The second reason is my oven really needs a good clean, so I'm glad that I'm finally getting it done. Last time I got really lucky when it needed a clean and it caught fire and blew up. So now my new oven needs a clean, so we've got to get that done. So the third reason is this is my first cleaning video as well, so it's super exciting today. I've got some tips for Ashley. We are going to get it done. It is filthy, so it is very baked on. Ashley's also doing her oven today. Hers is a lot cleaner, so it's going to be a quick job, so she's got lots of extra special things on top of that for you. Mine is going to probably need lots and lots of scrubbing, even with cleaning hacks, and I think I've learned my lesson, and I will need to make sure that I keep on top of it more regularly so it is less of a job. So let's get to it. Let's start by removing all the trays from the oven. Now sprinkle bicarb soda over the glass of the door, the bottom of the oven and inside the gap. I place towels down underneath in case anything spills over. And we pour white vinegar over the bicarb soda and we'll let that fizzle away for 10 to 15 minutes. While that bubbles away, we're going to add some bicarb soda and white vinegar to the 2 trays that are at the bottom of the oven. And then we're going to let them sit there while we scrub the oven. I'll also take this time to scrub the wire trays. Okay, so that has been soaking, and now I've got my soft scourer that's safe to use on glass, and I am going to commence my scrubbing. I can already see that this scourer is getting pretty filthy. This is inside the gap between the door and the bottom of the oven. So mainly loose dust there. The glass takes a bit of scrubbing, so I'll play some music for you. So the bottom of the oven's starting to look really good. I've got a cloth with some warm water and I'm just wiping it out and getting rid of any of the excess bicarb and vinegar solution. There are also 2 stubborn spots that did not want to go away, so I'm hitting them again for some extra deep cleaning. That is now coming up really well. This is how clean my glass has come up. Very happy with that result. It's the bottom of the oven. It's a bit hard to see, but I'll turn the light on. Here we go. Oh yeah. And you can even see my reflection in the oven door. So now the oven is clean, we've just got to clean the 4 trays that I removed. So this is the one that sits at the bottom of the oven and it catches anything that falls down. This black tray sits just underneath the silver one. You can see how much has come off just by the colour of that sponge. So this one is done. The silver one is as clean as I think I'm going to get it, but I do have a hack for you. Something I wish I did when I bought the oven, I'm going to cover this tray in alfoil and it's going to sit at the bottom of the oven, and next time I clean it I'm just going to replace the alfoil, which will protect the tray and make the job so much quicker. So there is my clean oven with my clean trays, all ready for the next time I cook. Thanks guys for cleaning with me today. I'm so thrilled with how my oven turned out. It is sparkling, it looks brand new, and hopefully this gives you some motivation to tackle your oven, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks and have a great day.